How to schedule Instagram stories in Buffer. So first, ensure that your Instagram account is a professional account and is connected to Buffer. And once that's done, you just simply need to navigate to your Instagram account here on the left sidebar or the channels bar. Then you just simply need to click on your Instagram account right here. And once you've clicked on it, navigate to the right side, then click on new post or plus new post right here. And it will bring you right here or redirect you right here on the create post tab. So make sure Instagram is selected so you'll know it's selected if it's highlighted like that. Then just simply select story right there. Now once that's done, you just simply need to drag and drop the file that you want to upload as a story. And once you've uploaded the thing or story that you want, you just simply need to navigate right here at the bottom. Then you will see the options on when to post your story. So you could either go with next available, prioritize, now, or set date and time. So we will go with the set date and time right here to choose a specific time to post. So if I click on this, as you can see, you can set the date and time that you want. So let's say I want to set it on Christmas Day. So I'm going to choose 25 and I want the time to be 12 a.m. just like that. And click on done once you're done choosing the date and time that you want. And also there's an option right here to either set it to automatic or to receive a mobile notification. So if you set it to automatic, Buffer will post automatically for you. But if you set it to notify me, you'll receive a mobile notification to post yourself. So it's up to you what you want to use, but for me, I'm going to use automatic right there. And once that's done, you just simply need to click on the schedule post option. And after that, you are good to go. And that is how I basically schedule Instagram Reels in Buffer.